How to unlock screen time without passcode. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. In Settings, scroll down and click on Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. In here, click on App Timers. After you've clicked on App Timers in here, you can simply select the app you want to unlock or click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. In here, you'll find Remove Timers. Click on Remove Timers at the top. Then press on Remove. All the timers will be removed and you will be able to open your app. And this is how to unlock screen time without passcode. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.